Is Revolut business any good? Well, hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore Revolut business account. Well, there are some differences which absolutely gives Revolut business an edge over the personal Revolut account. Like if you want to separate your personal transactions with your business, then absolutely you should go with the Revolut business. And there are some features which are absolutely free even on Revolut business. So the main differences between Revolut personal account and Revolut business account is the tools that you get with the business account, the analysis that you can make of your payments and receipts, and the invoices that you can send using your Revolut account. It not only helps you report all your transactions on day-to-day basis, but it also helps you with tax compliances. You have all the data required in order to file tax when the time comes. So this way the Revolut business account is quite good, and also there are different business accounts for different people as per their needs and requirements. Like there's different business accounts for freelancers or the corporate ones. You can join it as a freelancer or the company. The benefits will be different. And the good thing about it is that you can get it started free of cost by just starting a new free account and check whether it's worth it or not. There are different accounts like the Grow, Scale and Enterprise. You can choose it according to the size of your organization. And in case of free, you would be getting free plastic card and also the virtual company cards. But the international payments will be costing you money, and also you can only make 5 free local payments with free account. And there are some other features as well with the free account and the paid accounts. So you can choose it according to your needs and requirements. But business account gives you benefit over the personal account, and you can completely separate your business life and your personal life even in the transaction terms using Revolut business. So you can just analyze it all according to your preferences and choose it. And this was the short review on Revolut business. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.